Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back and today we are going to discuss our topic of median, वो भी continuous group data में. Means what? Median का already we know the concept. First what we will do, whatever the rough data we will have, first we will arrange that data in ascending or descending order, ठीक? And then if number of terms even होंगी तो हमारा केस अलग है और odd होंगी तो हमारा केस अलग है. हम दोनों के specific formula use करेंगे. Already I have discussed this concept in on my channel, so do check it out if you don't know that. फिर उसके बाद क्या करेंगे, आज हमारा टॉपिक आया है for continuous group data. Group data means what? Means sort of class intervals will be given और हम उसके accordingly work करेंगे. Up, you must be wondering about the word called continuous. What does it mean? The class interval will be in continuity. Okay. Suppose, let me give you the example. Suppose the class interval is starting from 10 to 20. Then the next class interval is start from 20 to 30. So you will see there will be no gap between the class interval. Okay. So next will be 30 to 40. Okay. So what is happening? You can see it is means the lower limit and upper limit of the classes are the same, like lower limit of the first class is same as the lower limit of the second class. Okay, so I hope you got my point. When this continuity will be there, see 10 20 30 40 30. See, so what is happening, continuity में आ रहा है डेटा. तो इस डेटा में क्या होगा, पहले हमारे पास फ्रीक्वेंसी होगी, तो हम उस बाय मीन्स ऑफ यूजिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी वी विल बी कैलकुलेटिंग कम्युटेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी और उसके अकॉर्डिंगली वी विल वर्क ऑन ग्राफ. सो पहले हम क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस कर लेते हैं कि कम्युटेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है और फिर हम उसको ग्राफ पे कैसे वर्क करेंगे. सो लेट मी राइट डाउन अ क्वेश्चन फॉर यू ऑल सो दैट we will understand the concept of median by using group data for continuous class intervals, and we'll be discussing it. So keep on watching. So guys, now we have this particular question over here based on median for group data. ठीक है? So let's see what the question says. Find the median for the following data. Class interval is given. First, we will see the class intervals are in continuous. Of course, it is in continuous because we are discussing about the continuous topic right now. So it is in continuity and we have one frequency given over here. So now what we will do, first of all, we will be needing commutative frequency also when we will do the graph work and all the things. So we need to do that also. So we will be calculating here part and graph part also I'll be showing you too. So cumulative frequency is nothing is as such not a big topic in this, no big discussion. Sorry, not topic, discussion. So what is the frequencies given? First is 5. Okay, so I'll write 5 over here. I don't know why the marker is not working. I need to. Next, in next case what we will be adding this 5 with the next one. Okay, 5 plus 7 will give 12. 12 plus 10 will give 22. 22 plus 8 will give 30 and 30 plus 5 will give 35 and it will be summation f will be 35. So you can see here value of n means number of terms is what, 35, and it is odd. And in case of odd, what do? We do median. For odd case, n plus 1 upon 2th term. And what is n? N is 35 plus 1 upon 2 that term. That will be 36 divided by 2 will give 18th. So this will be the 18th term. ठीक, इतना बात समझ में आ रही है. अब what will happen, अब this 18th term how we will find out कि 18th term कहाँ पे lie करेगी, क्योंकि you cannot say from frequency कि मैम ये यहाँ पे lie कर रही है, यहाँ पे lie कर रही है, because it's not in the specific way. You are getting my point? So it can lie anywhere. So how we will do? We will be using the graph work for that, and so we will be doing the graph work with this basis. अच्छा, before continuing with this, you must be having confusion कि frequency और cumulative frequency क्या होता है. बेटे, word means cumulative means what? Increasing or successive frequency, it means which is being adding on. Okay, like what we did the same thing. हमने पहले 5 लिखा, then 5 में 10, 7 next term add किया, first term लिखी. Do not think only 5 we will add. Whatever the first term is there, we have written that. Then we added these two. Then we have written this. Then we have added this one, written. Then this, written, and this, and then we got the term. Okay. Now what will happen in terms of like class interval, how we will calculate the median. Somehow we came to know this क्योंकि फाइन 35 आया कि वो ऑड है, हमने ऑड का फॉर्मूला लगाया, तो वी केम टू नो 18th टर्म आनी चाहिए. अब वी डोंट नो कि 18th टर्म है कौन सी और कौन सी क्लास इंटरवल में लाई कर रही है. सो व्हाट विल हैपन, अब इन दिस केस वी विल बी ड्राइंग अब व्हाट ग्राफ. दिस इज y एक्सिस और दिस इज x एक्सिस. ये अभी मैं रफ समझा रही हूँ, थोड़ा बहुत समझ लो, ठीक है. उसके बाद मैं प्रॉपर ग्राफ करके दिखाऊंगी ये कैसे करना है. This is your origin. This can be 10, 20, 30, 40. This side we will be taking class interval. This will be ले लो मर्जी है. And this will be your frequency. Suppose, okay, this is 10, 20, 30, 40. अब what will happen, जो हमारी commutative frequencies हैं, हम उसके accordingly we will be plotting those particular values. Suppose, ठीक, हमने plot कर ली values कितने हैं, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. तो 5 सोच लो, 5 आ गई कहीं, ठीक है, टोटल 5 आ गई. अब हमारा ऑलरेडी वी नो द 18th टर्म, तो फ्रीक्वेंसी में हम यहाँ से 18th लेके चलेंगे और जो भी हमारा जहां पे भी हमारी लाइन इंटरसेक्ट होगी फिर उसको नीचे लेके जाएंगे. मींस वर्टिकल लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे एक्स एक्सिस के थ्रू, और जहां एक्स एक्सिस पे हमारा एलिमेंट लाई करेगा दैट विल बी आ मीडियन एंड क्लास इंटरवल भी हमें पता चल जाएगा. So let's move to what? Graph part. Okay, for the continuous group mean data. With our graph work for the continuous one. So here I'll be drawing what? X-axis. I hope you all know what are the X-axis and Y-axis. Okay. And here I will be taking y-axis. Okay, this is y-axis and this is x-axis, and this is going to take as origin 0. Okay. Okay. Now let's do some marking. Here I will be having CI that I'll take. Okay. CI. So I'll start with the 10 first. 10, 20, 30, next 40, 50, whatever marking you want to take, you can go with that. Okay, I'm taking just one block. Similarly, for the frequency part, I will be taking on this side, so let it be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. It's more than enough. Now I will be plotting the values of our commutative frequency. Okay. So first was 5 and it was ranging from 0 to 10. See, one thing we need to remember. See, this 5 will represent here. Okay. That octave should be connected. Okay, this is been 5. Okay, I'm not writing the coordinates. If you want, you can write. If you don't want, you don't write. I'm not writing in order so that it is more clear. Okay, so this will be 10 by 5. Okay, then next is 12. So in terms of 20, we will go with range. Okay, so this is 10, 11 and this is 12. So this is our point for range 20. Then next is 22 for the 30 part. For the class interval from 20 to 30 will give 22. So this is 21 and this is 22. Okay, this is 22. Next is what we have. The point is 30 for 40 class interval. from class interval 30 to 40 is 30. So this point will be there. And then next is for 40 to 50 is 35. So this will be there. So if you want, you can write it here, and then just writing this 35 coordinate. Okay. I'm not writing it so that it seems more clear, but if you will write it, that will be more accurate. Okay. So just writing it down so that you can see 30, and this one was from 30 to 22 it was. Yes, and this was from 20 to 12, and this was from 10, and this was 5. Okay, so now I will be connecting all the lines over here first. Be very careful while connecting the lines. Okay, the craft work involves this graph work, not the craft work. Okay. Okay. Now what we will do, we have already calculated that median. Now we will be looking at the rank. For calculating the rank of median, what's the formula in case of odd? In case of odd, it is n plus 1 upon 2. Okay. So the formula for rank of median when the n is odd, number of terms are odd. So it is n plus 1 upon 2, that is 35 plus 1 upon 2 will be giving what? 18th. Okay. So from 18th term, and the term was also coming 18th only in terms of our median. So we will be making a line draw from this point called 18, and you can clearly see this one is considered as 18, and I'll be touching this particular line. Be very careful while doing this. See, it's done. Now it is meeting at this point, and I'll be connecting it and looking that which particular point are this is touching. So we will be drawing a perpendicular to it. Yes, and you can clearly see, I don't know, but I can clearly see it is coming as point is 26. This is will be considered as median. Okay. So even when we calculated the median, that was also coming 18th term, and the rank is also coming the 18th. So that particular frequency we will be using over here, and we got it. So, and see, always remember this ogive is being connected. Okay, is always connected to its lower class intervals, and it keeps on increasing way. Okay. So we have connected with 0, and then all the plotting points we have put it for this commutative frequency. I hope this point for median in terms of continuous class intervals and how to draw an ogive graph is being clear to you all, and thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care. हाँ जी, तो ऑलरेडी वी हैव डन दिस मीडियन फ्रॉम ग्रुप डेटा, और अभी हमने ग्राफ वर्क भी आपको समझा दिया कि कैसे करना है और कैसे हाउ फाइंड आउट करेंगे वैल्यू. सो आई होप यू लाइक इट एंड यू एंजॉयड इट. सो कीप ऑन वाचिंग Maths with Baji. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.